LinguaTV Interactive Learning, Organisation and Processes for License Key Administration. Easily manage the distribution of your license keys to your clients and get information on the state of activation. License Key Dashboard. After logging in, please visit My LinguaTV and My Profile and click on License Keys. There you'll find a list of license keys which you can open by clicking on the orange icon on the left-hand side. For sending a license key to your customers, please click the button Send. Distribution form. In order to send the license key to your customer, please fill in the form. Most importantly, you need the correct email address. Since we will be able to send standard instructions in different languages, you can select the language of this message. In addition to the standard message, you can add a personal comment. Status of license keys. After successfully sending the license key via the license key dashboard, you will see an orange icon, indicating that the license key has been sent, as well as the association between license key and the recipient's email address. Message to course participant. The recipient will receive a standard and/or individual message from the sender with his or her personal license key and a link to the website. The recipient needs to click on the link in order to register and to get access to the courses. Registration. After clicking on the link in the email, the recipient will receive a short registration form. Since the email address is pre-filled, the recipient only needs to fill in the password and accept the terms and conditions. Activation of the license key. Upon successful registration, the user will arrive at My LinguaTV and My Courses. The license key is already pre-filled. The license key now needs to be activated. Please note, the duration of the license key will begin immediately upon activating the license key. Status of the premium account. Upon successful activation of the license key, the user will see the status and the duration of the premium account, and we are able to select the desired courses. Status of license being activated. Upon successful activation of the license key, you will see the license key dashboard and hear that the user has activated the license key. Overview and statistics. With the help of the various icons, you can see whether or not a license key has been activated, shown in grey, or sent but not yet activated, shown in orange, or is still unused, shown in green. You can also get an overview and filter the license keys according to these criteria and search for special license keys. Customer support. For further information, questions, or a personal consultation about your requirements, please don't hesitate to contact us at www.LinguaTV.com/contact.html.